Hello everyone and welcome to Unit 3. At this point you should be watching the video to start off this unit. Now at this point, just to kind of give you a little bit more navigation coverage, if you want to go from one part of the unit to the next, you can use these page options in the upper right hand corner. You can also use the table of contents over on the left hand side. At this point, if I go to the What's Due When, you should be working on lessons 11 through 15. I want you to read through the lecture that they have in here about determining your form of actually sitting at your computer and how you should have your body positioned with the keyboard to help with your accuracy while you're typing. So you should be reading the lecture, and then you should go into GDP, do the lessons, and while you're doing the lessons, what I want you to do is download the technique evaluation form for somebody to fill out in your house. So if I go down to the technique evaluation form, what you're going to do is download this form. So at the top of the screen you'll have an option to download it and print it. So I'm going to go in and download it, and you can print it at this point. So when you print this out, what I would suggest you do is give this form to somebody in your house and have them sit next to you or watch you while you were typing. So one of the lessons for this particular one. When this form came up, it actually put it into a whole nother tab, so I'm going to close this tab. I'm back in Unit 3. So now I've handed this form off, I've done my lessons, I had somebody watch me and fill out the form. Now what you want to do is go into the Unit 3 discussion. In the Unit 3, I would like you to use the example on how you want to lay out your assignment. I would suggest going in and typing the information into Word, breaking it down by the 3 different areas, and then copy and paste it into the discussion. So when you're ready to put it in, you can just go to the top and click on the discussion form, or you could click to launch. Okay. Now this particular discussion is a post first discussion, which means you can't see anybody else's postings until you've posted yours on the site. So you're going to go into create thread, copy and paste your information in from your evaluation, and then submit it. Then what you want to do is go back in and read what everybody else has written and respond to a couple of your classmates. So that's what you're going to be doing for Unit 3 in this course.